Bivarite Data Unit 3 Test. Number 1. Julie made 25 international long-distance calls to London last month. The scatter plot below shows the length and cost of each phone call she made. So we have the cost of the call in dollars, the length of the call. Which conclusion is best supported by the scatter plot? A. As the length of the call increases, the cost of the call increases. So it's positive. B. As the length of the call increases, the cost of the call remains the same. So it's constant. C. As the length of the call increases, the cost of the call decreases. So it's negative. Or D. There is no relationship between the length of the call and the cost of the call. There is no relationship. Number 2. The scatter plot shows the average number of hours people spend at work every week and the average number of hours each of them spends on recreational activities every week. Recreational activities and work hours. Based on the scatter plot, what is the best prediction of the average number of hours a person spends on recreational activities every week if the person spends an average of 65 hours at work each week? So 65 is already marked on here and is marked on your paper with a yellow highlighter. Use 65, draw your line, and see where they hit. Number 3. The manager of the restaurant recorded how many people were in different groups of customers and how much those groups spent on food and beverages. The scatter plot below shows the data she recorded. Dollars, number of people. Based on this scatter plot, about how much money would a group of 10 people be expected to spend on food and beverages at the restaurant? So 10 is marked on the graph. It is also marked on your paper with the yellow highlighter. Number 4. Students recorded the total number of pages and chapters of each of several books on the scatter plot. Based on the scatter plot, which is the best prediction of the total number of pages in a book with 4 chapters? 4 is marked on here. It is marked on your paper with a yellow highlighter. Number 5. Which scatter plot shows a linear relationship between x and y? Linear. A, B, C, D. Which one is linear? Number 6. The scatter plot shows the number of people in different households and the average amount of money each household spent on groceries. Based on the scatter plot, what is the best prediction of the average amount of money spent on groceries for a household that has 7 people? 7 is marked on here and is marked on your paper with a yellow highlighter. Number 7. Ben measured each person's resting heart rate and recorded the average number of hours each person exercised per week. He created a scatter plot to show the data he collected. Based on the scatter plot, what is the best prediction of the resting heart rate in beats per minute of a person who exercises an average of 8 hours each week? 8 is marked on here and is marked on your paper with the yellow highlighter. Number 8. Which of the following graphs represents a no association relationship? No association. Which of these is no association? A, B, C, D. Number 9. The scatter plot shows the energy in watts and the light output in lumens per watt of several light bulbs. Here's your association. Which statement best describes the association between energy and light output of these light bulbs? F. As energy increases, light output increases, so it's positive. G. As energy increases, light output decreases, so negative. H. As energy increases, the light output remains the same, so it's constant. Or J, there is no apparent association between energy and light output. Number 10. The amount of water an electric dishwasher uses to wash dishes varies directly. So you gotta remember what varies directly means. With the number of loads of dishes. The dishwasher uses 32 gallons of water to wash 4 loads of dishes. How many gallons of water will the dishwasher use to wash 10 loads of dishes? Record your answer in the bubble grid on your answer document. Have this table. Number of gallons of water, 32, question mark. Number of loads of dishes, 4 and 10. Solve that problem.